Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel Google subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, access your Google Play Store, or you can simply go ahead access your Chrome as well. So we'll just go to our Play Store. We're going to tap on our profile icon that will be on top right corner, and tap on this payments and subscription in this below menu option, which will give us the options of four menu options, including all of the subscription and details for all of our Google services. Go ahead, tap on the subscription option below the payment. Here you will find the subscription services that you have been using for any of the Google apps, on including Google apps, right? So for you to cancel them, you can go ahead, tap on that particular subscription regarding that particular app, and once you have tapped on it, you will scroll down and you will find a below option called cancel subscription. Go ahead, tap on it, give a valid reason, and you will be able to cancel your subscription for your Google like that. So this is a very easy method for you all. I hope this video was really helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.